All I got to say is, Donnie, why you ain't tell me about the fish? It didn't even make it home. Welcome back, everybody, to my channel. Today's video that y'all will see has been recorded a long time ago, but I've been waiting for the right time to upload it because I have very special news, and today is the day to let everybody know. This is a golden chick. This is the dirty rice. The dirty rice is good, but it ain't like B&W's from Houston. If y'all in Houston, y'all know about B&W Meat Market and that dirty rice. But this will do for now. Anyway, back to the news. I will be launching a brand new YouTube channel. I've been waiting for the right time, the right moment. And this new channel, this is gonna be hashtag consistency, hashtag she's a YouTuber, hashtag where the heck has she been? Did y'all see what she just said? So we'll do a lot of catching up on the new channel. It will be a faith-based channel, so no cursing, no arguing, no haters. If you want to be a spectator, you can. But my piece is very valuable. Very valuable. So, yeah. I just wanted to invite y'all to my channel. I might insert part of the intro or outro or both. And link in the bio to my new channel. I'm so excited to kick it off. And yeah, catch up with you guys. Again, this will be a faith-based channel. So if you don't believe in God, you are more than welcome. But if it is offensive to you, you are more than welcome to not come. And I'll understand. But anyway, I hope y'all enjoy this video that I made at this good pizzeria in Dallas. So shout out to Zio Owls. And y'all stay tuned for more. Thank you. Bye. Welcome back, everyone. I miss y'all. I hope y'all miss me too. This video will be about this lovely pizza shop called Zio Owls. It's in the medical district, and it was just absolutely amazing. I love that when you walk in, it looks very clean. At first, I was a little timid when I saw that it was empty, and I was like, okay, a pizza shop this empty, whatever, where you could dine in, is it really all that good? Also, when I walked in, I didn't smell much of anything, but it smelled clean. At least it didn't smell stinky or anything like that. I like the little sink right there, but they didn't have any soap. But still, I think that's a great concept if they just put some soap right there, because I know, like, after my hands get messy, I be wanting to, clean them before I get in my car. Restroom was absolutely, like, beautiful. I was like, dang, this restroom is so cool. I love the sink, the accent on the walls. Let's get to the food. So this is the order of wings that we had. These are the raspberry chili wings, I want to say. My roommate wanted the raspberry wings, and they were supposed to do half mango habanero, but they didn't. But they fixed that right away. The customer service and hospitality was great. Look at me bite into that wing, honey. You could tell that it was good. It was like, yeah, I like it. Not gonna cap though. The raspberry was like cool, but mango hab is my favorite. The pizza, we did half and half. She didn't want to eat pork that night, but I love pepperoni pizza and some spinach, some razzle dazzle on it, just so I could get my veggies in. And yes, some Parmesan cheese. You gotta have some Parmesan cheese, okay? The pizza was amazing. Okay. This was a local pizza shop. I think they have a couple in Dallas. But yeah, that tops, Pizza Hut, Domino's. So these were my order of wings. My mango habanero. Oh my gosh, look at them. Don't they look beautiful? Let me tell y'all about the wings too. When I said crispy, that man overstood. Kudos to the cook, whoever the cook was that night. And the I don't know if he was the owner that was at the cashier register, but anyway, they overstood what crispy meant. Like I just absolutely do not like when I ask for crispy wings and they come out soggy with the sauce. Like, I know it can be done. I know that you can have a wet crispy wing. Like, I used to make them. They were so good. My happy dance. Hey. I absolutely loved it. The owner was, like I said, I think that was the owner. He was so nice. He gave us a New York cheesecake, and it was so good. I was so full, but I just wanted to taste a bite, and that satisfied me. Well, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. It was good to see y'all again. This was Zio Owl's very nice, clean establishment, and it tasted great, and I think it was, very affordable. I think overall we spent $42 on the order of wings and a medium pizza with spinach and pepperoni. And yeah, I definitely will be back to Zio Owl's Pizza and Pasta. Now, don't forget I love you, but God loves you more. Check out my new intro/outro for my new YouTube channel that I mentioned. Don't forget to check out the link in the description. Comment under this video, like, and subscribe to my new channel. Bye.